Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix display black and white in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, turn off sleep mode. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down. Click on home and lock screen. Scroll down. Click on lock screen. Scroll down, click on sleep display and turn off this button. After turning off this button, click on turn off. After click on turn off sleep mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off color adjustment. Again open setting, scroll down, click on display, scroll down, click on color contrast and turn off this button. After turning off this button, now go back. After that, turn off dark mode. Again open setting, search dark mode. Now here you will see dark mode. Now click on light. After click on light, turn off dark mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset device settings. Again click on reset device settings. After click on reset device settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Again open setting, again scroll down, again click on system, scroll down, again click on reset options, scroll down, click on erase all data, factory reset, and now click on erase all data. After click on erase all data will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix display black and white in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.